Ka Sorkar Jylla kesni balang galarai ban Pynwai no ya ke Meghalaya State Housing Board MSHB bat kan ai no da ka Voluntary Retirement Scheme WRS ya kinong tre bara. Kidan khat prangot kinong tre kene ketnan haduk mentah. Menjerang ba ka Jylla konrat kisang ma loong ba kene kede kerai ke basa teng la slemha ha ka ba kinong tre kila kerpa ya ke Sorkar ban le kham kloi. Ka Sorkar Jylla kala shin me kene ke senjam mentah kesngi ban penkut no sindon ya ka. La ban kedau bakane kedai ketenat ke baju airam ban senayeng ya kibru ha ke Jylla henry kelam nang tron kat ban nang yat kisngi bat kendu mau siang kala pelong ya ke Sorkar ban simno ya kene ke sinjam.
The housing board basically there is not much activity under the housing board as of now, and it has been a long pending demand. In fact, I think for more than a decade, if I'm not wrong, I can't remember exactly, but for more than a decade, if I'm not wrong, the employees also have been asking. As I said, the activities also have been bare minimum, and the salaries of the employees also has been fluctuating, and sometimes they don't receive the salaries as it's a board, an independent board. So therefore, all these aspects they led to the request also from the employees that they would like the board to be dissolved, and based on that, this decision was made. Yeah, so that's the basic idea. These are basically, if you remember, that the housing schemes were actually boards. This board was set up to avail loans from HUDCO and LIC, GIC, and NIC, and all these things way back in 88, 89. So therefore, now respective departments or others or individuals, can have other mechanisms of now getting loans. So therefore, the basic functioning of this particular board is not there anymore.
For these 18 employees, how much will be the
there is a basic rule which is followed in general, in principle, which of course I don't have details of that because it's like a specific, I mean, it is here, but I don't recall it. It's a bit slightly complicated formula. But for the 18 employees, the financial impact is 7 crore 42 lakh 32,545. I won't call it non-working. It's not the correct nomenclature, but yes, we have to sit down and maybe introspect, look at all the aspects, and do what is in the best interest of everybody. So wherever we are seeing that there's a challenge, and we are seeing that there is some kind of a consensus also building up, we are talking to different agencies and different boards to look into this aspect. And yes, it is being considered. But as I said, whenever we take a decision like this, we would always like to take the stakeholders on board.